Whose car is that, Rex? Rex? Ah, a stranger is here? Whose car is that? Uh-huh. This is new. Some kind of strange car on our property. What's going on, guys? No worries, Rex. No worries, Rex. That car is just a car I lent, I borrowed, because my car is the workshop. The front window is changed. I got a crack in the window, so I borrowed this car from the company that's changed the windows. And Rex recognized right away it was a strange car at our parking, so it's better to bark at it to make sure they know their place. Right, guys? Oh, these boys. It's endless having fun. Hey, you're making me dizzy, guys. So they are free to roam the yard once again. Whoops, I accidentally stepped on the toy. And actually I planted these new, I don't know, what do you call them? Agave? No, it's really not, it's something else. And we had to fence them in because Sammie was a little bit too excited about them. So he'll get used to them and we'll let go of the fence later on. It's kind of chilly today and a little bit of windy. That won't stop the boys from having fun. Alright, guys. And as you can see, there's really not much left of the grass. We live in an area where it's mostly sand. This is like beach sand, almost dry dirt. And it's not easy having grass grown on when two dogs keeps running and playing in the grass. But that's what you get when you have two boxers. We never really had that problem when we only had Rex. But now there are two of them and it's constantly playing. Let's get this one, yes. Let's get this one. Ah. I thought you had a toy already, Rex. Ah, that's my fingers. I hope you guys are all safe in quarantine or something. Stay away from the coronavirus. We don't do much of socializing. And I'm working from home, so I can stay with the boys. They don't go to dog daycare at the moment. My wife is a nurse at a nursing home for elderly people, so she's working, of course. But she's taking precautions. Washing hands a lot, not touching her face, etc. And we're all fine here. At at least for a moment. Let's hope it continues, and I hope you all find too. So I wish you a good day, and I hope you stay safe and be brave, and see you sometime soon. And please subscribe to these videos and press the bell button at the subscription page. That way we will be notified when we have a new video, and we have actually had new videos every single day for the past, I don't know, month and a half, not only on Tuesdays and Fridays, actually every day. I hope you enjoy them, and please leave a comment below the video. See you later. Wanna give them a kiss, Sammie? Sammie, Sammie, Sammie. Ah, they're busy playing. See you guys.